Define FDI. How does it relate to globalization?
FDI or foreign direct investment play an extraordinary and growing role in global business. It can provide a firm with new market and marketing channel, cheaper production facilities, access to new technology, product, skill and financing. For a host country or the foreign firm which receive the investment, it can provide a source of new technologies, capital, processes, products, organizational technology, and management skills, and provide a strong impetus to economic development. Foreign direct investment, in its classic definition, is defined as a company from one country making a physical investment into building a factory in another country, such as Taiyudan Company from Japan invest in Malaysia.
The sea change in trade and investment policies and the regulatory environment globally in the past decade, including trade policy and tariff liberalization, easing of restriction on foreign investment and acquisition in many nations, and the deregulation and privatization of many industries has probably been the most significant catalyst for FDI expanded role. Globalization is related in the FDI because it has been observed that investing firms would naturally have with international markets for their products. Therefore, the host economy benefits because it circumvents the needs for domestic firms to spend resources and time to penetrate and acquire foreign markets. This is the case for Malaysia, where export grew along with FDI, which suggests a stable positive correlation up to 1998. Since then, open factors such as the depression of the ringgit and global demand would have had greater impact on the growth exports. It is not likely that Malaysia would have experienced the tremendous growth in the export without the benefit of FDI. Discuss FDI important to Malaysia economy. Provide statistics 2010 to 2013 to support your answer.
FDI plays several important roles in the Malaysian economy. Its most important role was to generate economic growth by increasing domestic capital formation. FDI functions as one way to bridge an intertemporal gap of capital demand and supply, and, like other capital inflows, increases the production frontier of developing countries which normally suffer a shortage of capital. FDI provided an additional source of capital and expanded host country production activities. The inflows of capital in the form of FDI allows host economies to invest in production activities beyond what could be achieved by investing domestic savings alone.
With regard to the share of FDI inflow throughout the world, Malaysia has share of 0.65, 0.74 and 0.77% in the year 2010, 2011 and 2012 respectively. While in ASEAN countries, Malaysia have share of 2.29, 2.72 and 3.99% in 2010, 2011 and 2012 accordingly. However, in ASEAN country, Malaysia have share of 9.89, 10.43 and 10.65% for the year 2010, 2011 and 2012 in order. The Malaysian economy has grown rapidly over the past decade. From the period between 1971 and 2013, the real GDP has grown an average of 6.32% per annum. Malaysia per capita income or current GNP per capita rose from US dollar 380 in 1970 to US dollar 10,304 in 2013.
In the case of Malaysia, the ratio of total export to GDP has increased significantly from 38% in 1971 to 54.84% in 1980 and 83.15% in 1995 before declining slightly to 74.4% in 1997. However, this percentage showed an increase during the following years to reach 87.46% in 2013. According to the Malaysian Investment Development Authority (MIDA), in 2010 the FDI recorded is at 29.4 billion. As for the year after, in 2011, it recorded 37.3 billion. In 2012, FDI is recorded at 25 billion, and lastly 2013 at 38.7 billion.
THANKYOU, thank you.